Harmony is what we are attracted to. Harmony is what makes things pleasant. Harmony is what is around us in nature. A seed grows in a soil that is in harmony with its needs. A music with harmony is pleasant. And if you want to make a collection of old-looking style design or illustration, for example, a calligraphy with an old style decorated with ancient style patterns, or a map of a fantasy historical novel, then you need papers that are in harmony with the subject. You need old papers. In this class, I teach you how to turn simple factory-made papers into old-looking papers. For this class, you need brewed tea. You can use simple tea or you can use tea bag. You need cotton ball. You need an old toothbrush, some brownish color. You need a paper and you need a dish. I'm Hadis, and along with my other classes about ancient style patterns, here I am to teach you how to turn papers into old-looking papers for your design. Are you asking if you can use coffee? Yes, you can, and I will tell you other alternatives. So, are you ready to make your collections of your old-looking design? Yes? So, let's make the papers you need for your collection.